Hi guys, have you ever been in a room and you feel you want to be there all day? So in order for you to achieve your own great and fabulous space, interior designers acquire 6 basic principles, which are harmony, contrast, balance, emphasis, repetition, and scale or proportion. So guys, in this video I will be sharing with you guys the real meaning of interior design and how these elements work harmoniously together. So guys, let's go straight into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Eklin and I am an interior designer who is always giving out best and affordable home tips on how to make your home fabulous. So guys, one of the principles of design is the emphasis, the important element that anchor the design and add interest to your design. I mean, when you get into a space, the first thing that attracts you into that house or this, maybe a big frame, a wallpaper, there is always a point of attraction when you get into that space. Another important principle is the contrast while putting your space together. This is putting together of elements in opposition to each other. I mean, like poles attract each other. Your contrasts are your color, your shape, your texture, your material, your skin, and all these will bring life and character to your space. Another principle of design is the balance. This is the distribution of the visual weight of objects, color, texture, and space, just to create a feeling of stability. Another important principle of design is the repetition. This is the duplication of elements, color, shape, or pattern to tie a design together and strengthen it. Another principle of design is the scale and proportion. This is the size of the object you are designing your space with. This is the proportion of how the object relates to overall taste. You shouldn't just go get an artwork just because you want to design your space. It should relate with the context you already have. Another basic principle of design is the harmony. This is the cohesive message that is created when all the elements work together. Once you come in and everywhere is looking all fine, yes, there's harmony in that space. So guys, if this is your first time here, kindly join the family by subscribing into the channel and give me a thumbs up. Throw me some comments, let me know what you feel about the video. You can also turn your notification button on so you get my videos once I post them. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.